Okay, so this is Every Rose Has Its Thorn, and the chords in this song are G, and then C, and C is with the 5 strings, and G was with all of them, and then E minor comes up once or twice, and that's one with all the strings, and then D, which is the bottom 4 strings. And the strum pattern for this one, we'll just do up, down, up, down, up, down. And yeah, and we will start with the intro, which is G, C, G, C, and then go into the song. We both lie silently still in the dead of the night. Although we both lie close together, we feel miles apart inside. Was it something I said or something I did? Did the words not come out right? Though I tried not to hurt you, though I tried, guess that's why they say every rose has its thorn, just like every night has its dawn, just like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn. I listen to our favorite song playing on the radio. Hear the DJ say love's a game of easy come and easy go. But I wonder, does he know? Has he ever felt like this? And I know that you'd be here right now if I could have let you know. Somehow I guess I said every rose has its thorns, just like every night has its dawn, just like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn. Though it's been a while now, I could still feel so much pain. Like a knife that cuts you, the wound heals, but the scar, that scar remains. I know I could have saved the love that night if I'd known what to say. Instead of making love, we both made our separate ways. But now I hear you found someone new, and that I never meant that much to you. To hear that tears me up inside, and to see you cuts me like a knife, I guess.